Welcome to SolidLevels, the ultimate roadmap to mastering SolidWorks automation. Once you're in, you'll follow a structured, 100-level journey from the basics. Advanced API mastery. Each level includes high-quality video briefings and technical deep dives. Test your knowledge with level verifications to ensure you've actually mastered the logic. Complete the roadmap and earn your official, verifiable certification.